Hi folks, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip of the Week. This week we're going to be talking about searching for images with a transparent background to make things look a little nicer in either a Google Slides presentation or a Google Doc, whatever it might be. So if I wanted to put pictures of, let's say, flowers into a Google Slides presentation, I could do an image search in Google for flowers, and I can see that I've got these different flowers that show up here. So if I choose this one, for example, if I take this picture and bring it into my presentation, the problem's going to be I'm going to have this white background, and I don't want that white background. I would rather have something that was transparent. So right now, for example, and this is sort of a two-in-one tech tip here, if I click and drag this picture up into my Google slideshow, which is up here, I can actually just click and drag it in here, and now it comes into my presentation. But as I said, you can see I've got this background that I don't want, so I'm going to get rid of that. Instead, what I can do is in my Google search, I can go to my tools and I can click on color, and I'm going to come down to transparent. Now what it's going to show me are just transparent images that I've got, or images that have transparent backgrounds, I should say. So let's say, for example, I like this picture here. Then what will happen is once it loads up, I'll know that it's transparent because it will have these gray dots that are here in the background. So if I see the gray in the background, I know it's a transparent image. And again, I can click and drag this into my presentation, and then now that it's in my presentation, what you'll see is once it loads up that it's going to have just a transparent background. Right now it's a little bit big, so I may want to just resize it and again put it in my background or put it on my slide, and I don't have that white boxy background. I simply have the transparent background, which makes things look a lot nicer. So that's how we can use our transparent images looking under color with our tools in a Google image search. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next week.